friends. I'm Little Explorer Baby. I love to find new secrets in this forest. And today I have a special mission.
And don't forget me. I'm Star Buddy. I'll be your guide and light up the way with magic sparkles.
We've arrived. Look at the big alphabet forest gate. It's so tall and colorful. Can you see the glowing rainbow arch?
Hello, I'm Star Buddy. We are so happy you're here to play. What's your name? We want to be your friends.
Every day, we look with our eyes, listen with our ears, and learn something new about letters and words.
Look, the rainbow gate is glowing brighter. That means the magic is ready. Are you ready to see what's inside?
Here it goes. The gate is opening just for us. Do you want to come along on this big adventure with me and Star Buddy? It's going to be so much fun. I'm ready to start learning. Are you ready too? Let's go.
Look closely as the first letter begins to appear. Can you guess what it is? The adventure begins right now.
Hello, little explorers. Today we are learning a very special letter. This is a letter A. Wonderful. Let's say it together again. A.
Why is that little letter different?
This is a big letter A. This is a little letter A. They are both the same letter. The big letter is called Uppercase A. The little letter is called lowercase a. Can you point to the big A? Fantastic! Now can you point to the little a? Great job! The big letter A has one tall line, another tall line, and one little line across the middle. Let's count the lines together. 1, 2, 3. Excellent counting.
So the big letter A has 3 lines.
That's right. Can you make a big A with your arms? You did an amazing job. Let's remember, big A, little a. They are both the letter A.
Wow, what is that?
We will discover it in our next lesson. See you soon, little explorers. Wow, look at that. What is it?
This is an apple. Can you say apple? Wonderful. Let's say it together. Apple, apple. Excellent. An apple is a fruit. We can eat apples. Apples help our bodies grow strong. They are healthy and delicious. This apple is red. This apple is green. This apple is yellow. Can you tell me, what color is your favorite apple? Feel the apple with your eyes. It is round. It is smooth. It has a little stem and a tiny green leaf. Have you ever eaten an apple? If you have, give me a big smile.
Does apple begin with our letter?
Yes. Listen carefully. A. Apple. Apple begins with the letter A. A. Apple. A. Apple. Can you say it with me? A is for apple. Fantastic. Now let's count the apples together. 1, 2, 3. Great counting. Today we learned the letter A and one special word, apple. I'm so proud of you.
You are doing a wonderful job. Now let's listen to the sound of our letter. This letter says ah. Let's say it together. Ah. One more time. Ah. Excellent. Great job, Star Buddy. Now let's find more words that begin with the sound ah. This is an ant. Ant. Ant begins with ah. The letter A. Ants are very small. They work together. They carry food. Can you wave to the little ant? This is an airplane. Airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky. Can you stretch your arms like an airplane? This is an alligator. Alligator. Alligator begins with ah. The letter A. The alligator has a long tail. It has strong legs, but today our alligator is friendly and kind. Can you say all 3 words with me? Apple, ant, airplane, alligator. Fantastic! A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. A is for alligator. All of these words begin with the letter A, and so did our little explorers. Goodbye.